Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an iPhone 14 Pro with a cracked display, and David will go fix it for us. Let's get right into it. So first thing we're going to do is remove the two pentalobe screws on either side of the lightning port. You can see that there's a very dramatic crack on the display, but most of it is only on the tempered glass. When you remove the tempered glass, you can see a less dramatic crack, although it's really catastrophic. So the housing has a slight dent on it, so we'll address that later, because we can't install a new display once we don't fully resolve the dent on the housing. So the housing is aluminium. It's quite soft, so you can either bend it back or you can grind it. So right now we're gonna remove the display. It's quite standard on iPhones, especially when you have gaps on the sides. You just take your time. We're not gonna reuse this display, so it's okay to give it some more additional cracks, although if we can avoid it, we shall. We'll spray some alcohol to soften the adhesive. The smartphone is already shut down, so it's no problem. And lift it up. So you have adhesives and clips that you have to contend on this one, and lift it up on this side at a 90-degree angle and support it with our high-tech jig, and remove some of the screws that covers the main board. It's also acting as a heat sink. Remove that. So we'll detach the battery, the display, and the Face ID module. So 3, 1, 2, and then 3. You can lift it up. Next is we remove the module for the Face ID. You can see here it's attached via two very microscopic screws, which is kind of annoying. If you don't have the tools to do this repair, you will get really pissed with these components, really that small. But David here is a pro, so he's just gonna treat it like it is. We'll peel it off and then remove it, then transfer it to the new display. The new display will not have this component, so if you want to do it properly, make sure you transfer this component on this side. Right there. So you have the retaining plate and then 2 screws. You're golden. Next is we test it. We attach the display and then the Face ID and then the battery. So at this point we'll not reassemble everything. So to be honest, the iPhone 14 Pro is really user-friendly when it comes to screen replacement. If you want to try this on your own, you can do so, but make sure you have the proper tools, the proper knowledge, and the proper preparation to open the device safely, because if you have a cracked display, you might have shards of glass flying about when you open it. So make sure you have protective goggles or gloves to help you. And this is what we mean by grinding off the dent. It's a very small dent, but it's enough to damage the new display if we force it in with that kind of imperfection. So we'll grind it out. Make sure it's open, perfectly square for the display. There you go. So we'll not be removing the display, we're just gonna continue the reassembly. So we'll cover this up. The display is already sourced for the client, so if you don't want the hassle of sourcing your own replacement display from eBay or AliExpress or Amazon, then you can go to your local service technician, visit your service center near you, and ask them if you can have an iPhone 14 Pro. This smartphone is really old in Apple's eyes. If you go to an Apple store and ask them if you can have a screen replacement for an iPhone 14 Pro, they will just say to you to buy their brand new iPhone. That's just how Apple works. So if you want to save money, save the environment, save your data, save your smartphone that is in perfectly good working condition except for the display, then support your local service centers, or you can visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Have it fixed for a fraction of the cost. You don't need a brand new iPhone if you can have a perfectly working iPhone 14 Pro. iPhone 14 Pro in 2025, 2026 is still very good, still capable. So we'll close this down. And thank you for joining, guys. This is gonna be the end of the repair. This is a success. We'll show you the before and after. And thanks for joining. Like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram. And we'll see you again next time. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.